Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Tonight's little project, I'll show you how I made these roller guides for the little bandsaw that I've been restoring. Some of the footage got lost, so what I did was you'll see me drill a couple of holes, and then afterwards I just slotted them on that plane there and that plane there. That's to be able to move the guide bearings in and out, as well as the thrust bearing to behind the saw blade. Now you'll see down at the bottom here, it doesn't actually line up. This saw is missing its rubber tires on the wheels. I'm still looking to find some new ones, and then we'll reset the whole thing. But let's get right into it. As planned, we're doing a roller guide for the little bandsaw. What I've got here is a little piece of hot rolled flat bar foot. I cut it down to 40mm by 40mm, and it's 8mm thick. Now I've done a quick little drawing of what I want to do here, so I'm going to scratch it on paper. So we're going to start marking out what we need here. Now the idea being is that you'll have the two side rollers and the back roller, the two side rollers just sticking up. And I'm going to make it nice and easy. I'm not going to make a very difficult build on it. So let's see how it comes out. Gents, and there we have it. What I'm going to do is I'm just quickly going to punch all the holes in, and then we can start drilling. Now you see, I've marked them out, and I start with a very fine little drill, just to make sure that we get the holes right on the money. If you've got a little pilot hole, it just makes a second step and third step. It takes a bit more time, but it just makes it a little bit easier. And that was what I was scared of, what's gonna happen. Okay, so I broke the little 1.5mm drill bit. I'm gonna try 3. I think we'll still get by with it. Take 2. I think I'm drilling into a piece of the old drill bit. Let's quickly see what's happening here. Okay, so the next one I'm going to use this little stubby drill bit. It's a 5mm, and we want to go up to 6. I think this one will work. I'm going to set it in fairly deep. And now we can use a 6. Now I haven't got a little 6 stubby, so we're going to have to make do with what we've got and just take it very easy. Gentlemen, and there we go. I've just put on the bearings with a little bit of a spacer at the back. I used washers for the spacers just to make sure that we're not in, the bearing doesn't touch the gullet of the blade, and the rear bearing is basically just touching. When the saw's running, I can still hold all 3 bearings still. So I think this is as good as it's going to get for this old saw. I'm going to start it up and run it a bit, and you can see how much more true the blade is running right now. No, it's not the best of cuts, but I'm already getting, there we go. I'm already getting 0.85 millimeters thick on the edge grain. I'm very, very happy. I think this is a hell of an improvement on what it was. The blades aren't the best quality blades either, so I don't want to make excuses. But for what I want to use it, this little saw is going to bring its part now. I'm going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see something else, let me know in the comments. And as always, stay safe.